it is extremely cold where I'm at. So naturally. So what you're gonna want to have is either a dread tube cap. This is called a dread tube cap, specifically made for dreads. They have them in um, different colors, different sizes, whatever. I found it at my local beauty supply place. So, I think it was in the men's section. But yeah, it was considered a dread tube cap. So this is kind of what I use. Now, this is cotton. I would highly recommend you to get one that's made out of satin. Show you guys what I do. Scrunch it up like that. There's the hole there. Put it over around your neck. Pull your hair out like so. Now it's kind of like a necklace, right? Yeah. And then you're gonna take this and see, it turns into a headband. Yeah. And that's how you wear a dread tube cap. But this is how I get it off my neck for sleeping and for a shower. See how it's already here? I just take it, pull it up like this. Ball this up in my hand like so. Pull them straight up to the top. We're opening the tube up in the top, stuffing them in. This looks funny, you guys, but this is how I sleep. And it is so comfortable. It is so comfortable. Because the key to sleeping in Faux Locs is you need a surface, a flat surface to lay on. Because when they're down, they're just everywhere and getting on your nerves. So, yeah, laugh it up. This is funny, but this is how I sleep in it. It's not to be cute. And I also shower with this too. It stays right up at the top of my head. And I just walk around like this. And it's not even heavy. You may think that it is. It's not even heavy. So with regular faux locks, with my crochet locks, any type of faux locks that I have in, this is how I sleep. And this is how I shower. It helps so much. You want to make sure to pull down on the locks and the edges. On the edges, pull down on them if they feel tight. Kind of pull them a little bit to loosen. But now with a scarf, I'm going to show you how I do it with a scarf because I think you guys will want to know that, right? Once again, satin scarf, not a cotton one. But if you're just showering, I mean, it wouldn't hurt to just pull a cotton one out from somewhere, whatever. So this is the scarf I'm using. So basically, flip it forward like so. Pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl, let's take over, pretty girl. Like I said, it looks funny. This is what I do. And you know, usually my locks are not this thick. So it works better with locks that are not as thick. So yeah. Ooh, wait a minute, this kind of cute. Pretty girls, she ain't worried about your man, she got hers. Pretty